Welcome everybody. This is the video about trading plan. It is very core to read the daily plan every day and prepare the levels to your chart. You can find it here in this section where I share it. It's actually my own plan I use every day for trading. It's like a cheat sheet. You can print it out or you can just write levels into your Bybit account or into your trading view. It is the new version of trading plan because before we had it was more simple, less levels, but now I want to do more advanced version, so I have to do tutorial. I will explain you each level and the importance it has for me. So because I usually publish the trading plan at around 10 GMT or between 10 to 12 GMT, and if you know market is opening much sooner. So if you want to make your own levels, it should help you. So first section here, we have the key levels for Bitcoin over here. And now you can see key horizontal support or resistance. As you learned in previous videos, support and resistance, they are very important, for trading. So this is for each trading, these levels are important for you. You must mark them into your chart because they are key. If you break them or hold them, it's a very strong signal for the market. It's like end of the move, like if you hold 30,000 right now, it's gonna be very good for holding overall range. Bitcoin can shoot up. Then you have the opens. Now we have the first one is daily open. You can find it in the ExoCharts. It's over here. Daily open is usually used for scalpers and for day traders. When you are approaching the daily open on a first touch, you can expect reaction because you have for example, we are very below it, right now. When we approach it on a first time and we touch it, there are people taking profit usually on that touch, and you can see the rejection. If you are above, it is acting as support. Okay, so you can bounce. Why it's happening? Because the market, daily open is showing you the overall candle. Okay, it's showing you overall candle. So if you claim daily open, you will, for example, today we have red candle. We will change the candle to green candle, and it can signalize further move up. And you have a lot of people, today you have a lot of shorts selling, and they will be protecting the daily open. They don't want to lose it, because they know they will be trapped then. So it's always battleground. Every day is battleground, and you can there is always reaction. It's strong level. Okay, so that's important level for you. Then you have the weekly open. It's even more important level. Today is same because we have the start of the week. But weekly open, as the week progresses, it's very important because now it's gonna be dictating the whole week of the candle, and you have even more eyes watching it. Because for example, if you reverse this weekly candle now, and you start to go green to make green candle, you claim the weekly open. This is gonna give you very, very strong bias. The bias will change in the favor of the bulls. So weekly open is more important, and it's usually giving you even more trades than daily open. Okay, so weekly very important. Then you have the monthly open, even more important, as it dictates again the bigger candle, the monthly candle. And this level is heavily protected. Anyway, if you are approaching it as a bull or bear, is heavily protected. Okay, so they are sorted by importance, and weekly and monthly levels are good for day traders and for swing traders as well. A daily is more for scalpers. Okay, now we have the value areas, and you have the previous day value area high, and now you have the previous day value area low. Both levels we are getting from ExoCharts, from this main trading template. Here it is. Okay, and there is your previous day value area low. Okay, so both levels from exocharts, and now in between them you have the previous day equilibrium. It's like middle point of the volume, and it's always between them. So those three are like connected. It is important level as well, but yeah, it's important for scalpers if you use previous day value area low. Not so important for swing traders, for example. For day traders, that it can be important as well. Okay. I will be discussing value area levels in the separate video, so I'm not going to discuss it in this trading plan video, but they are important levels, because sometimes when you claim the val area, it means you are accepting the range. It means you can go higher in the range, like to the top of the range of the previous day, of the volume range. Yeah. Okay, so those are important levels. Then we can go to Fibonacci levels. This is simple. This is simply Fibonacci zone. I marked golden zone, which is 0.61 and 0.66. And then I marked 0.5 Fibonacci line, because this is really this is decent line as well. We have three types. You can see the global one. This is the biggest, like the biggest fib you can pull. And the global, for me, we can have a look on the chart. It's usually daily time frame or weekly time frame. Okay, so you are doing big pulls. This is not changing often on the trading plan, because those levels are hit really not much. So here is significant low, for example. This was the COVID low. Those are the big pulls we are using. It's really huge. You can see even now after big drop we are reacting at 0.5, the big one. Yeah. So this is the global one. Then we have the 1 hour time frame. So I will go to 1 hour time frame. And I can see the 1 hour time frame. We can do two types of pulls. We can use this one, or we can use like more range bound, because I'm trying to see what I can trade today. So I will use the more aggressive one from 1 hour. You can see. So this is the 1 hour. There is a X here. It is not happening often, because we dropped so much. We don't even have a lot of Fibonacci. But for example, 1 hour support golden zone is here. It was here, it was not hit, but that's why I'm marking you 0.5, because the Bitcoin offense on 1 hour time frame is holding 0.5. It's not even getting you a golden zone. Yeah, so they are important. And now, like the closest fibs are on from 50 minutes. So of course you will open 50-minute time frame, and you will be searching really for local fibs. For example, this one. Okay, it was marked in today's trading plan, and it's starting to giving the reaction from 0.5. Okay, because this point is not valid. We pulled from here, so here's the first reaction. I expect second reaction. So 50-minute time frame fibs really for current session trading. It should hit like during the trading day. And again, if you are looking at 50-minute, you would be, for sure, you will be pulling, for example, from this 50-minute to there, but there was no reaction. Okay, not much reaction. So that's fibs explained. Then we have the swing failure pattern potential. Okay, it's potential because the swing failure pattern can happen or don't have to happen. So until the level is reached, you can't know. And we know from previous videos how swing failure patterns, how we trade them. So how I search them on 1 hour time frame for the plan. So here, for example, here we have swing failure pattern potential, here as well, this low, then this high, this low again, another one, all of them are marked in the chart. They're very, very significant, so that's how you search them. Okay, the next section we have the actual point of controls. We have the daily, weekly and monthly. This is pretty simple to get. You will go to ExoChart's main trading template and you will be waiting. We can okay, turn off this one, and now we can see the monthly point of control is over here. It's calculated for you, and the weekly point of control will be a bit further. Yes, here it is. Oh no, it's previous week. Here is daily point of control. Okay, daily point of control. And then you have the weekly point of control. It's same on the daily point of control because we have starting week. So tomorrow, weekly point of control is gonna get different values, but they are same today. So that's what you can find there. Then I'm marking you previous point of control from daily, weekly and monthly. This is also, you are getting this one from ExoCharts. So for example, here is the previous month point of control, here is the previous day point of control, and here is previous week point of control. Very important levels. you know, they are important. You have to mark them. Actual point of controls are also important. By the way, if I see very key level for me, I will mark it as a key level, like key, or I will mark it as a strong or important. You will see always some note to it. Okay, so that's point of controls. Previous day equilibrium we explained. Now we have the previous day point of control, but this is for sessions. So okay, so you will use again ExoCharts for this one. Usually we are in the current day, but the previous day has like effect on the current trading day, so we need to go back. So here's the New York, here is the London, here is the Asia, and now we have to go to the previous day trading. So let's go. So we are marking this one, previous day New York, previous day London, and previous day Asia. And if I zoom out, if you see this blue line, it means it's untouched liquidity, and I will write in the trading plan it's naked point of control here. So probably there will be some reaction for scalp, yes. Okay, so that's point of control section done. Okay, not full one. I also in this place I will be marking range point of controls. And this is usually if Bitcoin is not trending, as it is like not in the trend right now. This is the hourly time frame. You can see the clear range here, so you will have to find the range point of control. And now it is at, can go a bit, around 35,777. Yeah, so that's the range point of control. That's current 1 hour range, and so yes, all those important range points I will be marking. They are very, very important because when you flip the point of control, you can see they acted. This middle volume zone was acting as support or resistance. So when we go to this area again, we actually did yesterday, and we stopped at the point of control. It was resistance. You see how much we fall. So it's very, very important level. In order to Bitcoin, for example, to go up, you have to claim this point of control. Claim and then go up. Okay, so important. Then we have the daily and weekly levels. you know, I will be doing video about how to find them. It's gonna be very short video, but I just want to show you those levels. They are easy, you know, you will always have them here, so you can just mark it to your Bybit. But today I want to show you the importance, how important they are. So here is the weekly level from the trading plan. Here is the daily level, blue one. Let's go here. Look how powerful they are. So daily, weekly and monthly levels, very, very strong levels. Look, you see we came here, immediate bounce. We came to the weekly. There was no there was no support from daily. Weekly is even stronger level than daily. Always remember that. And monthly is even more stronger. Like daily can give you 2, 1 or 3 trades, you know, per session. The weekly can give you 5 or 10. You know, it's market is holding at this level. So you see, 1 touch, 2nd touch, 3rd touch. Then we went down. We claimed it, so no trade. Then we again had two small scalps. It is looking small, but it is not small. Yeah, because now the volatility is huge today. So it's 1.7% huge bounce. So four trades during the trading session, and now we are above the weekly. And if you are above the weekly and you hold it, it's changing bias of the trading day. It's showing the power in the market for example, for the bulls today, and you see strong levels. So weekly levels, very strong levels, and daily level. Now I want to see the daily level breached, claimed, and go up, because this daily is even, you know, important as well. So here are the daily and weekly levels, also monthly levels. Yeah. Then we have the this one. Then we have the naked point of controls. The naked point of controls, as I showed you, is the blue line. So for example, this one. Asia is naked, untouched liquidity, very strong level for scalping. There is high probability of scalp trade bounce. So I will be marking sessions, okay, sessions. So each sessions is like Asia, close, New York and London. Then I'm marking daily naked point of controls, weekly and monthly. And for those, you need to have exo charts as well if you want to plot them themselves, but they are not changing so often. They are here. You see the red line here, here. And if we zoom out, there are more. You see more of them. More daily. But, you know, and they are important. Because for example, here we had naked one. We like touched the naked point of control and bounced strongly, you know, strong 20% bounce on the Bitcoin. So daily point of control is very important. They are again like sorted by importance. This one is local, like for scalpers. Daily, weekly and monthly can be used for day traders or for swing traders. Okay, very strong levels. So this is where you search the daily ones. The weekly point of controls, naked ones, you are searching here. Here you have the one. And you have more as Bitcoin was rising in the uptrend. Okay, so a couple more here, and then monthly. We don't have much monthly because, you know, they are super strong and they are below us, and just one monthly point of control at the moment above us. Okay, so naked points, very nice. Okay, so that's explained, and what else needs to be explained is the last thing is range, value, area, highs. So when we have the range, we have the value area high. It's same like here, yeah, because we have the daily, but now this is the range value area. So I will switch to the chart here. We'll switch to the chart here, and so we are in this range. And when you see the here is strong colors, like very bright, and it's ending here. So this is the range value area high for you. Okay, 39,664 at the moment, And again here, when the strong color ends and the dark color starting, this is the end of the volume range. And yes, it's super important for trading. So like we are in the range, and it is, you can see in this line we held here, and in this range you can see we held here. It is like, you know, a backtest of here. So it is good to know where is the most volume, like tradable, because it's also showing you like this was the week, you know, this was a lot of liquidation, so it's like not calculating all these weak volume, it's calculating main volume. So you will find it over here. And the last thing I will be trading always here, I will be writing here what I think about the current market today and my plan, like as a scalper or day trader. I think I explained all the levels. So really most levels here on the trading plan are important. So make sure you know to have all those like daily and weekly levels. Very important. Also those levels here, they usually change more often than, for example, daily levels. Yeah, so those are not changing, but yeah, these levels are changing every day. Actual POX as well here, and Fibonacci levels are changing too. Okay, so I hope it was very clear for you how to use the trading plan, and I wish you really good luck, and I will be in the group if you have any questions. Okay, so see you later. Bye bye.